Today we are unboxing the ASUS ROG G700. We have been looking for a proper all-rounder for a while now. Honestly, we have been killing our laptops for years. We are not hardcore gamers, but we are architects and travel vloggers. And what we actually need is a serious rendering power. So let's find out if this thing can handle massive project files. Spoiler alert, it will. Please consider subscribing to support our channel. It genuinely means a lot to us and help us keep going. Now let's get into it. This just arrived, look at it, it's huge. I love the black box. It got this aggressive look to it. Oh yeah, this is the moment. Let's open it up. That looks neat. Inside this first box we have the power cable that obviously provides power. Then this strange thing is the Wi-Fi antenna, installation and warranty paperwork. But enough with the paperwork. Enough with the paperwork. Enough with the paperwork. Now let's go for the heavy stuff. Look at this. This generally is a massive tower. Wow, look at it. It's absolutely beautiful. The side panel is glass. You can look straight into the ventilation and all the internal components without opening a screw. At the top we have this magnetic dust cover. No clip, no fuss, one motion, that's all. But at the back there is a generous port selection and a reminder also to never plug your HDMI cable into the motherboard directly. Headphone jacks, etc. And that's where you have to put your HDMI cable. And at the bottom the power connection, the exhaust fan, one of the exhaust fans. And moving to the top we have the power button, a headphone jack and a microphone port. There is USB-C and two 5GB per second USB-A ports for fast transfers. Now let's open the Wi-Fi antenna. It screws in and lets the PC send and receive wireless data straight from your router. Kind of look like a shark fin, right? Yes! Yes! Look at it. Look at it, fully assembled with the internal lighting. Is stunning. The cable management in here is flawless. The motherboard, the NVIDIA RTX 5070 GPU, all the cabling, everything's got plenty of breathing room for maximum cooling. And even though this is a pre-built machine, you get all the perks of a custom build. It looks bespoke because, well, technically it is. This is the G700TF running an Intel Core Ultra 7 265F 32GB of RAM and 1TB SSD. Let's talk about that gamer text printer on the inside. We have seen some negative comments about it on other people's videos, but honestly, we don't mind it at all. It adds a nice bit of personality to the overall look. One detail we really like, there is a small gap between the glass panels that allows for extra ventilation. It's a nice touch. Alright, now let's put this thing to the test. First test, Premiere Pro. We edit heavy travel vlogs and our standard 10 minutes 4K timeline used to take 1 hour and 30 minutes to export. Now, on the G700, same timeline, highest export settings, 6 minutes flat. This for us is a massive save of time. No stuttering, no waiting for footage to load. It's completely seamless workflow. Test number 2, rendering in Blender. You might not know it, but we are architects. We do have an architectural firm called Y Studio. Check it out. We do amazing work and we are always looking for new exciting projects. So if you have a project, get in touch. And as architect, 3D modeling is our daily life. Our old laptop took an astonishing 8 hours to render an average quality building model. We run that exact same project here with this amazing piece of technology. It finished it in 11 minutes, completely life-changing upgrade for our design studio. Test number 3, the fans and cooling. We opened the Armoury Crate app, which is one of these built-in apps, which is also where you can customize the RGB lighting configuration. On silent, you generally do not hear a thing. Standard is virtually insignificant. The turbo mode, you get a slight hum. And on full speed, you can finally hear the fans really moving some air.
We bought this thinking it's just a gaming PC. Turns out it's an absolute powerhouse for travel vloggers and designers alike. What do you think? Should we push it further? Should we try an architectural walkthrough and check whether it's gonna struggle or pull it off? Let us know in the comments below. Also, before you go, please consider subscribing. You can follow us in our journey with our travel videos. See you next time.